Hi, I talk about selling the experience. However, today I'm going to share with you what is one simple thing that you can do that is very, very powerful and repeatedly been asked by any institution that you go to sell, whether you're an advisor or a real estate agent. It doesn't matter. If you're in sales, you really have to narrow down and really hone down your two things. You have to master it. Number one, your elevator pitch, and number two, your value proposition. Those two are very similar yet very different. An elevator pitch is your 30-second advertisement that you are going to share what is it that you do. And in that 30 seconds, you have to make that person right next to you in the elevator or anywhere, or in a coffee shop, intrigue that interest to talk more with you or get to know what is it that you exactly do, as well as sell that experience of making them feel safe and bringing that curiosity, increasing, bringing that curiosity in what is it that he or she does that I want to know and I want to be a part of it. What is it that I'm missing? So I'm going to share with you my elevator pitch that I used, which I was complimented several times that it is so simple yet so powerful. And it was easy for me to get clients into the door and, build a book of business from scratch. So let me share. And once I give you that basic framework, go ahead and exploit it with GPT or any AI tool that you want to use. Personalize it and own it, but try to keep it very simple yet keep it powerful where you get the message across. So let's dive into it. My elevator pitch, and you can use it word for word as a blueprint, however you want to use. Elevator pitch. Excuse my cursive. That's how I was taught, and that's how I write. But for the last 10 years, numbers work really well. So, right, for the last 10 years, I have been helping my father in our family business, helping clients manage their wealth. Now, I'm grateful I have my own practice, business, whatever you want to say, book of business, my own clients, where I help them with retirement planning, with their retirement planning. It's very simple yet very, very powerful, because I'm going to highlight what are the things that I have captured here. The three things that I've captured. I've been doing it for a while. I've been doing it for a decade. You write what you feel is appropriate. It's a decade. I have experience helping my father, very personable, right? Helping my father in our family business. So I grew up in it because it's a fact. I grew up in it and manage their wealth. So I'm familiar, and I'm not talking about money, I'm talking about wealth. Wealth is what high net worth clients have. The wealthy people, that's who we're going to be working with. Wealthy people buy real estate, wealthy people invest in the market. So you have to talk that language and bring that flavor out in your conversation. And I am grateful. Very, very important. Bring that word that you are very grateful. You are a person of gratitude and you come across from the serving and not selling. And I'm grateful I have my own practice where I help my clients, I help them with their retirement planning or with their retirement. And you can change and carve whatever is it that your niche is, with the life insurance, with the long-term plan, long-term care. It's totally up to you. Give it a try, run with it, tell me how it goes, and use it as a blueprint. Use it as word for word, but of course you'll have to change the dynamics to what works for you or what suits with you. But these are the few things that I did and made me successful, made me easy to get clients and close deals 90% of the time. Thank you.